When you decide to stop chasing her, everything changes. Suddenly, you're not sending messages, not calling, and simply not trying to talk to her anymore. What does she feel when she notices this change? Today, we'll get straight to the point and uncover what a woman does when a man stops trying to win her over. What goes through her mind when she realizes this shift in attitude? How does she react to this new situation? Get ready to unveil these mysteries now. Before we dive in, please like this video to help spread the wisdom of Stoic philosophy. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you never miss an update. 1. She feels lonely. In the first few days after you pull away, if the woman truly cares about you, she will start to feel an immense emptiness. She was used to your presence, your efforts to get her attention. She remembers the moments you shared laughs, deep conversations, and even comforting silences. But suddenly, you disappear without a trace, leaving her with great uncertainty. Faced with this void created by your sudden absence, it's likely she will try to contact you, trying to figure out what happened, expressing a desire for you to return. Time seems to pass slowly as she waits for a response that never comes. 2. She uses tactics. After being overwhelmed by great discomfort, the woman doesn't stay idle and takes action, starting a series of tests. She wants to discover what you are doing, if there is another woman in your life, or if you simply lost interest in her. To do this, she sets traps through seemingly innocent questions, or by trying to get close to you again, being affectionate and showing interest. However, behind this calm appearance, there is a storm of emotions. She oscillates between the hope that everything will return to normal and the fear that her suspicions will be confirmed. Every gesture you make is meticulously analyzed, and every word is intensely scrutinized for signs of betrayal or disinterest. It's crucial to be very careful at this stage. This is when a man can be swayed by her charms and ruin everything. The temptation to give in to her pleas is strong, especially when her eyes reflect the pain of your absence. But resisting is essential to maintain your dignity and self-respect. If you have decided to step back and no longer pursue her, hold firm to that decision and do not yield. Unless she proves herself worthy of your affection, time is the best arbiter in these situations, and it's important to let it do its work while closely observing her actions. Often, after regaining a man's attention, a woman may revert to treating him with disdain. Therefore, it is necessary to let time pass and observe how she treats you. As painful as it may be, it is better to preserve your dignity and self-esteem than to succumb to a relationship based on manipulation and emotional games. 3. She watches you from afar. In some situations, a woman may choose not to communicate directly or clarify what's happening. Instead, she prefers to observe the man from a distance, whether through social media or by frequenting the same places he does. She may decide not to send a message or make a call, opting to observe silently and draw her own conclusions. While she watches, her mind is flooded with a series of questions. She analyzes every post, every photo, trying to decipher signs that reveal what's happening in your life and heart. Every like, every comment is interpreted with almost obsessive intensity in search of clues that confirm or deny her suspicions. It's common for her to start interacting with your posts and photos on social media, showing her interest indirectly. She may also try to provoke you by sending enigmatic messages on your posts. Sometimes she even engages in a sort of competition with you, dropping hints and staying close but without taking the next step of initiating direct contact. In these situations, the best approach is to remain firm in your no-contact stance. Initiating contact could complicate everything. Patience is required, allowing things to resolve naturally without yielding to the temptation of starting contact that could be misinterpreted. After all, in this calm, silent observation, her true feelings and intentions may be revealed. I hope the reflections presented in this video have provided clarity and insights into understanding the complexities of relationships. It's crucial to remember that each situation is unique and requires a careful and sensitive approach. Don't let yourself be diminished or devalued by those who don't recognize your worth. Value yourself and seek relationships based on mutual respect. Remember, you deserve to be truly loved and respected. Don't settle for less than you deserve. If you enjoyed the content of this video, don't forget to leave a like, share it with friends who might benefit from these reflections, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Watch the next videos that are on your screen now and discover more about the art of seduction. A strong, seductive hug.